Okay, happy end of day Friday. Gonna have some Freddy's. Really yummy. I got some chicken tenders and tots. Andrew got a double burger with fries. Some honey mustard, yum yum. It honestly wasn't until we started filming that I realized just how often we come here. Weekly trip to Spirit Halloween to see if they have any more of the Nightmare Before Christmas character masks that I'm missing, and anything else they might have gotten in. Daily. Yay! We got Beryl! Beryl's the creepiest one. We got him in! Alright, good morning fam. We got the griddle heating up. We're finally gonna make some pancakes on this. It's gonna be so good. All right, let's see how this works.
It's pooping.
Wow. It's pooping. Oh my God, they look so perfect. Oh my goodness. Those look like commercial pancakes. Round two.
We had an incident.
We had an incident. You could see like where, is that where it comes out of the thing?
Yeah.
That's funny.
That's the point of impact.
Looks like a bite mark.
I know.
Ding dang. So yummy. Hi fam. It is going on day 5 of wearing the heart monitor. Really starting to take its toll. But 2.5 more days. Today, tomorrow, 3 days. Okay, today is super exciting because we are finally gonna put the blinds up in our lanai. Yay! It's gonna make it feel so much cooler in here and just a little bit more privacy, as you can tell. We're a little close to our neighbors, which is fine, but it'll be nice. I'm also really excited because later today, I have a new camera being delivered. I ordered a Nikon little compact camera to film the future videos with. So I'm so excited about that. Just a little better quality, better sound, little like wind buffer. Yeah, I'm excited. Like I've loved making these. Having the memories to look back on is already so amazing, even though it's been like a month. Definitely gonna continue doing them, whether you watch or not. So it's just so nice to have. And I'm excited when I'm old and gray and senile to have these to look back on. So camera's being delivered later today. We're gonna set that up. Can't wait to see the difference. How's it look? Zoom in, zoom out. Should look here though. We did it. Oh my gosh. How's it going? Let me see how the sound sounds. We're doing it. We're doing it out in the wild.
You're a wild person.
We're doing the vlogging.
No, you're doing the vlogging.
You're in it though.
How is this cool?
Alright. Where are we going?
Mellow Mushroom.
We are going to Mellow Mushroom for dinner.
Place for hipsters.
It is honestly such a place for hipsters, but it's so cool. Look, so like, we got Bumblebee, a mushroom. My favorite part though is Han Solo and Carbonite. My husband is
What'd you just name your camera?
Stan.
Why?
He's Stan the man. Where's Stan? Do you got Stan? Oh, can't forget to leave the house without Stan. Oh no, where's Stan? Stan. Oh, Stan. Guess where we are. Andrew pretends that I'm the only one that likes coming here, but he just beelined over here. Right, let's see.
Cool.
What do we got? Oh, baby. Wow. Oh, hi, buddies. Banana. Okay, we're in Sam's Club, and as you saw in the previous Sam's Club trip, like, they have a lot of Halloween stuff. It all looks brand new now. I was excited to go see it. Now I'm pissed. What in the F is this? Sir, Sam.
That's crazy.
What? Why? Samuel. Holy. Like, oh, happy Halloween. Psych. Y'all are out of control. Granted, this deer is actually super cute. Look how it moves its head, but no. I'm not gonna lie. These are adorable. I won't lie. It's doing things to my holly jolly heart, but these are actually really cute. Damn it. Look at this. Lock, shock, and barrel. Oh, it's coming together so nicely. Look at this. Curtains are up. Amazing. We still need one for this side because I don't want it to cover the door, so I need like different specifications, but you can already feel a difference.
I love it. It was simple enough to put together.
Yeah, you did a great job. So stand in here. I'll show like kind of what it looks like from the outside.
Normal. No screen.
Yeah, no screen. This is what our neighbors see when they look over. And then screen. Can't see you.
I'm waving.
Are you? If I get like really close, now I can kind of see the outline of you waving. But like from over here,
What'd you just get?
my Halloween lights are gonna go up today, which like, I know it's early, but I'd be putting them up in a week and a half, so I might as well just put them up now. These I think are gonna be good too, because my old lights I used to have to plug in like 3 different ones. This is like one really long strand, and they do like different like orange or like orange. This is a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be, so I feel like I could do a lot with these in here. It's gonna look really good though. Aren't you so excited?
Totes.
Oh my goats. Do I look 4K now?
Sure.
For breakfast today, omelet, some sausage cooking up, got some English muffs, buttons. It looks really good.
Master Chef.
You are a master chef. Okay, it's like 2 o'clock. We have a couple friends, our neighbors coming over tonight for dinner. Andrew's gonna do hibachi. So getting the rice going. I will not burn this time. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go hang the Halloween lights. It is. No, it's not focused. Focus. Alrighty fam. Wow, this lighting. How ominous. Can you figure out where I'm sitting? Yay. So nice out. So spooky. Yeah, that was our weekend. This was a very typical story weekend. We went to Lowe's. We put our shades up. I got this new camera. You'll have to tell me if you notice a difference with the quality or the sound. I just got like a grip to mount it to, so I don't have to I'm such a wimp. My arm is already hurting from holding it up and I've been filming for 20 seconds. The lights are put up, which they look so good. What else did we do? We had our neighbors over for dinner tonight. It was a lot of fun. The food was great. Andrew did hibachi. I'm pretty sure they're gonna go buy their own griddle insert now. Sorry, I'm saying a lot. How was the weekend? It is about, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. So I am gonna head up and start getting ready for bed because I'm a grandma, and get ready for the week ahead. So all in all, that was our weekend. And I look forward to showing you our week ahead. Thank you for following along as always, and that's today's story. Good night, fam.